If you wanna learn UI UX and you feel confused, overwhelmed, or stuck, it's not your fault. Most beginner designers are starting the wrong way. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where you can start from in 2026. Most beginners fail because they jump between too many tools, too many tutorials, and too many opinions. They learn everything but build nothing. UI UX is not about tools first, it is about thinking first. And the correct order has to do with understanding the problem. You then learn layout and hierarchy, you practice real screens, and then you polish visuals. In 2026, you need only one main tool to start, and that is Figma. Now, Figma reduces confusion. Figma teaches layout, spacing, and then systems. Ignore the AI for now and focus on Figma for now. Your next step is not another course. It is about building one simple app screen every single day. Examples are login screens, profile pages, and then dashboard. These are very simple to design and that will help you in your design journey. If you want simple UI UX tutorials that actually make sense, subscribe. I am teaching this step by step.